I put together here at Sedona Soul Adventures very, very early on what we call Inner Journey with Breath and Sound. We set the intention with it that, first of all, it is going to move out any trauma, any emotional blocks, any birth trauma, any what we call gunk that is residing in your body. And very often you have energetic blocks from in your body from this. I certainly did from my birth. So our process is designed to first remove any of those energetic blocks, any of those emotional blocks that are existing, and then designed with using music to really, really move the energy through the energy centers and to really, really amp up the experience and to move you into higher consciousness and literally into the altered state. And when you go into that altered state, it is absolutely amazing and phenomenal and unbelievable what happens.